Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Mazda 6. This is Mazda's full-size sedan, meant to take on the Camry and the Accord. This one's fitted with the base 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, while a turbocharged four-cylinder is an option. Soul Red Crystal, one of my favorite colors from Mazda, black leather interior, and a total price of $28,470. Really nice interior, super quiet. The car is on right now, although you wouldn't be able to tell. Nice and comfortable interior. Alright. I love this interior. I mean, everything is nice. Materials, soft touch, even here's all soft touch, especially right here. That's all soft touch. And my favorite section is right here, where you're gonna be putting your hand. All this material is all soft touch, and it feels awesome. That's even, when you're just driving, you put your leg there. It's all padded really nicely. And I definitely applaud Mazda for doing that. Because it just makes driving it a lot more comfortable. Great amount of power. I'm not feeling like I want more. If I did, I'd get the turbo. That's available on the Signature trim, which, while it does cost more money, I think is worth it. You get cooled seats, you get everything you would ever need. Not bad at all. Now I'm using the car's manual mode, I really have always loved the Mazda 6. I've loved its interior, its driving dynamics. It does feel like a great sports sedan for not a lot of money. Especially in the signature trim with the turbo. That's my favorite iteration of it. It's just absolutely fantastic. Overall visibility is good too. Nice and comfortable. Very easy to drive. Fantastic car. Manual mode is completely manual. It will not auto upshift for you. However, the one time, so say I needed to pass somebody right now, you engage the kick down mode, it will downshift for you. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.